There's a powerful, little-known AI system that's helping people earn over $1,000 a day, all by just copying and pasting. This method uses tools like ChatGPT, and the best part? It's 100% beginner-friendly. You won't need any money upfront or complicated steps. This is the same approach people are using to generate a substantial daily income, all from the comfort of their homes. This system is incredibly straightforward. Every day, I simply copy and paste content, and my AI tools handle the rest. I'll show you real proof of my results, like payments from affiliate programs that come in daily. Here's one example. I've promoted a tool recently, generating thousands of clicks every day. By driving this traffic to affiliate products, I earn commissions with ease. In this video, you'll get access to everything you need: copy-paste templates, emails, proven sales funnels, and even a free course to follow along. All you need to do is drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Once you do, I'll reply with access to all these resources for free. Now, let's dive into the system. The concept is simple. We create short-form, AI-generated content, like images, videos, and emails. Using an AI scheduler, I publish this content across multiple platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more, reaching a wide audience effortlessly. For example, I'm currently scheduling to over 40 different social profiles, so a single post can be shared across all platforms simultaneously, creating hundreds of posts daily. As these posts gain views, we drive all that traffic to a simple landing page. I use a clean, effective design with just a video and a call to action button. This system has been incredibly effective in converting visitors, often with offers like a 30-day free trial for tools that help automate follow-ups. If you're ready to follow along, just remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I do live streams regularly, so feel free to check out past sessions on YouTube to catch up on everything we've covered. The best part about this system is that you can actually get paid to give away free stuff. Imagine all those people checking out your posts. They can be directed to a proven funnel where you give away tools, memberships, or services for free. Now you might be wondering, how do I make money if I'm just giving stuff away? This is where the concept of a loss leader comes in. A loss leader is an item you offer at no cost, designed to attract customers who will eventually purchase more valuable products. In our case, the loss leader is a free membership, tool, or service. When someone signs up, they enjoy it free for a trial period. If they want to continue after that, they'll pay, which is where you get paid too. The beauty of this model is its potential for recurring income. While you may not see money up front, the goal is long-term passive income. Instead of focusing solely on today's earnings, you're building a system that generates income automatically over time. You're creating a sustainable income source that, eventually, won't require ongoing work. Now let's get specific. You can give away AI tools or services with a free trial. When people upgrade to the full version, you get a commission. For example, inside the checklist I'll provide, you'll find over 400 AI tools to give away for free. Each sign-up means a potential commission when they continue using the tool beyond the trial. To set up, start with a simple sales page offering a free trial, your loss leader, and use AI-generated content to drive traffic there. This content will generate views, which you'll convert into leads and eventually into sales. Just creating content won't bring in significant revenue on its own. Instead, the content fuels the funnel by attracting viewers who become leads and ultimately paying customers. All right, here's how we refine our approach so that content leads to views and views turn into sales. We need to start by building around the offer, not the content. Most people go backward by focusing on creating content first, hoping for leads and sales later. But knowing your offer upfront is critical because without clarity on what you're offering, it's hard to sell effectively. Your offer doesn't have to be complicated. It can be a free tool, service, membership, or course. For instance, I provide a free tool that helps automate sales. It could be any tool though. The main point is to have a free offer in place. Currently, I'm promoting a tool that's linked in this video's description. First, aitool.com/go, which directs you to my affiliate link for easy access. Setting up redirects like this is beneficial. You can create a custom link that sends visitors directly to your funnel, like directing traffic from TikTok or Instagram to bestuytool.com and then onto your chosen tool. This strategy helps streamline the process of getting people to your offer. Next, guide people to the free tool. For those following along, You can start with a 30-day free trial by entering your email at the provided link. Once you're in, you'll receive a checklist with a snapshot to help you get started. Plus, there's a kickoff call to walk you through setup if you're new to the tool or not tech-savvy. During this call, they'll assist you with the setup, and importing the snapshot is simple. Just a quick copy-paste that includes email templates, funnels, and other essentials. For a deeper dive, I've added a course that provides a step-by-step walkthrough, and yesterday's live stream covers these steps in more detail. So check that out if you want to see the whole setup. Since we covered the basics yesterday, today, I'll focus on refining the funnel. I go live almost daily to share updates so you can see behind the scenes of what's working, and I use my notepad daily for this process. Every day, I aim to produce 2 images, 2 short videos, 1 long-form video, and 2 emails. Each morning, the first thing I do is check my content system, making sure I'm meeting my goal. All of this is AI generated. By using a tool called Radar, I schedule content in advance, so I can quickly see if everything's set to go live. Sometimes an account disconnects, but that's normal when managing multiple accounts. Today, I've got an image and several AI-generated videos queued up to post, and I'll double-check everything to ensure it's all running smoothly. My team creates this content, so you might wonder, how do I keep up with that? If time is tight, consider a virtual assistant, VA, to handle these tasks. A VA can generate and schedule content using AI, allowing you to focus on oversight instead of day-to-day production. Once you're set up, you can streamline your workflow. Get up, grab a coffee, and simply check the system. Review the scheduled posts, videos, images, emails, to ensure everything is in place. With this content machine in motion, traffic flows in daily, generating consistent engagement and revenue. You're not just creating content. You're setting up a system that points traffic wherever you choose, whether it's an AI tool, a course, or any offer you're promoting. With a strong funnel and a valuable offer, the content system fuels signups and sales. This approach frees you up to refine instead of just doing. Instead of creating daily, focus on improving. Find ways to boost views, enhance the course, or improve what you're offering. Once the core work is done, it's all about making ongoing tweaks to optimize quality and results. With all our traffic automated, I can focus on the essential aspects of reaching our audience. Let's break down where people are in this process. It's crucial to visualize who you're talking to, because the money comes from people, not the AI. AI only connects you to them. When people watch AI-generated content about making money online, they're often looking for a straightforward copy and paste system that's proven to work. So, when viewers see a video titled "Top 3 Sites for Making Money Online," they're intrigued and may comment to learn more. Automated responses direct them to our funnel, where they can dive deeper into the copy-paste system. From there, we offer a free course, tools, templates, and live streams, creating a highly valuable experience for them. Consistency is vital through each step. Imagine watching content on automating income and then seeing a funnel about a different topic, like lawn care or window cleaning. This would be confusing. Every step, from content to course, should align. So we start with a content schedule featuring an eye-catching hook like "Clone your face with AI for money." This leads people to our Discord or funnel, where we emphasize an easy path to $1,000 per day. In our funnel, we aim to maintain that consistent message. One area to refine is our course title. Changing it to something like "Copy and paste $1,000 per day AI system" can better capture interest. Once in the course, we should have a welcome video to walk users through setup, explain how to import their snapshot, and share affiliate links. Each element, from intro videos to thank you pages, should guide them seamlessly, making the process intuitive. Let's ensure everything aligns for a smooth user experience, right down to showing how to get their affiliate funnel link. All right, here's what we're working on with the funnel. We'll need a custom opt-in page. Right now, I'm driving traffic to this main page here, but I want to make a cloned version so everyone can send their traffic to the same spot, which will then redirect to their affiliate links. Other than that, everything seems to be running pretty smoothly. We'll also dive deeper into repurposing content, and I'll be tweaking some parts behind the scenes to make sure it's as effective as possible. I just wanted to give you all an update on how it's coming together, especially if you're new to this. In the free course, grab the funnel and follow along. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next one. Happy money making and see you soon.